In today's training, I will be teaching you how to input a NAF for an existing entity in Atlas. Whenever you have an existing profile, meaning that the profile has already been created, the first step for inputting a NAF is to search for the existing profile. You can go to the search bar at the top of your screen, and as you can see, I have an EIP on the right-hand side for Johnny Doe's Irrevocable Trust. I want to find this profile so that I can then input this NAF to update it. I can see this has populated, so once I click that to go into the trust profile, I want to go ahead and find the button that says New NAF. Once you see that, click it, and you're going to be asked some familiar questions. It's going to go ahead and ask you information about the trust, and it's going to populate some information from the already created profile. So just going to, again, select trust, and then I'm going to make sure that all of my information here is correct. I do have an address change, so I want to make sure I account for that within the system. And it looks like I no longer have a PO box, so I can click the box saying that the mailing address is the same. That's the rest of the information on this page, so once I select next, I'm going to see the financials that I'm able to update. And this follows the same order as it does on the CIP, so I can simply just go through and manipulate what needs to be updated. And further, we want to make sure that our disclosures are accounted for. This annual notices opt-out is for right here. If this box is checked just like it is on the CIP, you want to check the box in Atlas. Similarly, if there is an email provided within these bottom slots at all, you want to make sure that this box is checked. We do have one for Johnny, hence me checking that box. Once this is confirmed accurate, you can press next. And the last step is to go ahead and upload the CIP. Once you find it in your system, you're going to see the progress bar. You're going to see the check mark to show you that it's done. Once you press next, it's going to show you the name of the file that you've uploaded just so the system can show you it's successfully made it in there. You'll press next again, and the NAF has been successfully completed. If we refresh our page in the trust profile, we will be able to see that NAF that was just inputted for this update, NAF 17750. This is how you were able to input a NAF for an existing entity. If you have any questions on this process, please email atlas@harborinv.com.